Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install a backup plugin in your Divi WordPress website. Let's log in into our website, and after that let's go to dashboard. Here you can see in the plugin sections. Now let's install a free plugin from the WordPress plugin library. So here type backup. Now here we can find out multiple plugins. Here you can see UpdraftPlus, so it has 3 million plus active installations. We can also install. Here you can see this is another useful plugin, so just we can also use this one. So let's try this one. And after that, now skip these options. Now if you want to create a new backup, just click here, create backup. Here you can see, so backup process is started, and it depends upon the number of files that your website have. For example, if your website has more data, then it will take some time to back up your website. So make sure that you have created a backup so that you will not lost your data. Okay, once it will complete 100%, then backup will be completed. Okay, backup is almost complete. That's great. Now let's click here, manage and restore backups. Here you can see backup is created. Now you can download it into your laptop, and after that you can upload the backup files. Here you can see upload backup file. So this is the option that you can use to upload backups from your laptop.